Soft OU conference opener, CUSA. Trying to build the best conference out of a non-Power 5 conference. Yeah. This is 2011 now right here. Yes, sir. Conference opener going crazy. He's spazzing on him a little bit. He's spazzing on him. All right, as soon as you open it. We're leading in point. Kid got 8. I got 23 and a half, bro. And they going zone. Chandler at 3. I'm going 23 and a half. See how the end of the game, man.
Now let's take a look at our players of the game.
This one did the office. Outdoing Dirk Nowitzki. Hey, you. Jason Kidd, you dropping a couple down. I'm gonna go Alabama. Ayugi.